Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my blog. I am Bablu, and in this video, I will see you India's very unique farm. Arvi, I don't know its English name. So, guys, it's a very sunny day today. So, sunlight face my face. So, please cooperate. So, look at see. You can see behind me, this is RV. You can see behind, this is all RV plant. You can see this is its leaf, and its leaf made cutledge, a village traditional food cutledge. So look at very close. Guys, you can see here's little part of land start digging, and you can see its root. You can see, and yeah, its root is this. You can see it is its root, and it's made curry. Arvi curry, you can see. So it's both huge, its leaf and its root also. Both are very useful. You can see. So guys, behind me you can see some other vegetables and some other farming. So look, see. So guys, I came here. You can see this is chili plant, and you can see some chili also. It is red chili, and its plant, chili plant. So guys, you can see this is both red and green chili. You can see we produce ourselves, and it is also very organic. You can see it is organic farming. We do only organic farming, not more use urea and any chemical. We use only our homemade fertilizer. So you can see very natural view also. see India's very unique things. It you can see. Guess what is it? You can see. This is machana. It's called machana. And how looks like.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.
So I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed my video, please support my channel and like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Viba Blog. We will meet in next video. Take care. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.